Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing options. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Now select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. After that, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!